What's up, guys? Austin coming back to you with another video. We're gonna go on another race car road trip, and as you just saw, I had to replace the alternator already, which that's my luck. It's only 63,000 miles. I can't believe it already went out, but you know, nothing can go right when it's me. So we're just gonna make a way to our. I found this crazy road. There's no cars, no people or anything like that, and tons of curves. Like, it goes through a canyon. It's a beautiful drive, and so I'm just gonna head over there to Sunday, going out for a Sunday drive. I mean, come on, weather's not very good, but it's okay. We'll keep her tuned. So this isn't our final destination, but on the way there, there's a road that supposedly leads up to a ghost town. Now, they blocked off that ghost town because there's actually a serial killer that hid dead bodies in the mines up there, and so we're not allowed to go all the way up to the ghost town. But the road leading up to it, it's pretty curvy, and there's no laws here. Like, it's free, open to do whatever you want. I mean, it's literally in the middle of nowhere, so we're just gonna go rip up it real quick. So we made it to the end. This is a gate that they blocked it off of. This road pretty much goes all the way to the top of the mountain, and it's like in a little basin. And if you go up Ophir, you can actually see the top of the ghost town. Except, I mean, there's no way to get into it. They watch it like a hawk. They have cameras everywhere. They have a guard booth right here. They're very serious about it. But it's a pretty fun road. You just have to dodge all the freaking potholes. But yeah, let's continue. So we're just getting to the base of the canyon where we were heading. So this is Rush Valley, Utah. It's a very small town, but I mean, it's really gorgeous. Just not a lot of food or anything out here that you can really make yourself convenient to. But otherwise, I mean, not too bad of a place to live. that was my little secret road. I hope you guys enjoyed. A bunch of turns, and you know the drill. So we made it here to like this abandoned gas station. It's in the middle of nowhere. There's literally nothing out here. Just straight road that way, straight road the other way. I mean, I think this is for like the military base that's down there, but I have no idea. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. See you guys later.